Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchie, cooking and baking made easy. We are today totally in the bush, somewhere about 75 km north of Carnavon in a spot called Blowholes. I will show you a little bit of the beach later on, but what I really want to tell you is what we are going to do today. I had a plan to actually cook some prawns, but we had a big catch of the day. So I will tell you later on. Make sure before my little recipe of grilled fish, we are going to subscribe, but also change your notification bell setting, as well as give me some like, and the recipe will be under this video in the description as usual. So let's cook a storm in your kitchen or in the bush, because this is part of cooking in the bush. Catch of the day, look at that, landed on the beach, awesome fish. We have a beautiful I believe salmon, threadfin salmon here, nice and fresh. Gonna get to feed the army with that, but hey, I can't complain. I'm happy with the catch. I previously explained how to fillet a round fish. However, I'm going to do it one more time, just really nice and easy. Right behind the fin. Try to find the main bone. Leave your knife there and press against the bone. Open up. Just like that. One fillet. Turn your fish in the other side. And right behind the head. And again, follow central bone, press hard against it. For your fillet, just do a little incision here, put your knife against the skin, grab the skin, let the knife slide out. As you see, you can make a handbag or leather boots with it if you want. So here I'm going to show you how to make your quick kebabs. I marinated my prawn with just a little bit of olive oil, parsley and garlic. And as you can see, a little bit of my fish here. When you make kebabs using wooden stick, always dip them in the water for about 10 minutes before you start. That will avoid them to burn too quickly whilst cooking. So what I'm going to use is the capsicum, get it in large. Do the same with your onion. Cut it in half and keep it in large pieces. I'm going to put my here. This is my fish I caught today. Same here. Nice little pieces. One. Might move bits of the backbone. That piece of the backbone that is blood and fleshy. And voila. Now I'm just getting a piece of the skewer with 2 or 3 layers of onions. Dun, dun, en garde. Prawn, piece of fish, piece of capsicum, another prawn, another piece of fish, another piece of onion. Just like that. If you're greedy like me, just put another prawn and another piece of capsicum, then you have a nice skewer. If you want to work a little bit faster, just divide your skewer. So meanwhile, prepare a little fire. Make sure your coals are very hot and everywhere. And look at that skyline. Get your grill. And warm up this grill. Alright, so now that our coals are very hot, we are going to cook our skewers. Look at that, Paul. And bam! And I just find out that the fish I caught is a massive tailor. Alright, once you cook them for about 3-4 minutes on one side. Just turn around your little skewers. Make sure the fish is cooked evenly. So are the prawns and your little veggies. Perfect dish, barbecue under the star, you can't even see.